Grab 2 sheets of 1/2-inch plywood and we're gonna make the most epic Christmas decor. Draw your favorite snowy tree shape on a large Ziploc bag with a dark colored Sharpie. Cut a hole in a cardboard box and tape the Ziploc to it. We are making a DIY projector. I actually have a few other videos on how to make DIY projectors. I'll link them below. Basically, you just tape the plastic to the box, put a cell phone flashlight inside, and project it onto the wood. And now you can trace out the tree shape exactly how you want it. I ended up doing 2 trees and I just moved the box closer or further away to get different sized trees. And when you're done, you can turn the lights on to reveal your pencil marks. I used a circular saw to cut off the extra parts of the plywood off to make it an easier size to work with, and then I used a jigsaw to cut out all of the shapes of the branches. I started doing this and then I found it easier to cut around the tree shape with the jigsaw, so it was smaller pieces going in and out between each branch, if that makes sense. A little tip with the jigsaw, the blade cuts on the upstroke, so the top side here will be the rougher side and that will be the back. You'll know when you get going which side will be the back side. I used 150 grit sandpaper and my battery powered orbital sander and gave it a quick sand on both sides and on the edges. Now we're going to cut the stars. I hand drew them and used 1.5 or 1.25 inch drill bits. I started drilling from the back side and then I flipped it over and drilled the rest of the hole from the front side for a nice smooth finish. I used the jigsaw for the rest of the cutting, and again I worked with the back side facing up, so you put the blade in the hole and then do a triangle 4 different ways and you've got yourself a star. When both trees were cut out, I blew the dust off outside with my leaf blower and then I brought them in and swept off and used a damp rag to wipe it clean to prep for painting. I painted both sides, 1 coat on each side and 2 coats on the front. I used exterior white latex paint by Benjamin Moore, but don't make the same mistake that I did. After a couple of weeks, the tree started to yellow around the knots in the plywood. This could have been prevented if I would have just used primer on the wood before painting. So if you do this, make sure to use primer first. I also painted the edges. You could use a paint roller for the main part, however, I found it just as easy to use a brush and less cleanup. I secured a scrap 2x4 on the back side of the tree and used a metal square to ensure it was square. I love this little tool, I'll link it in the description, it's really handy. I put 2 screws in from the back side and then flipped it over and put 2 more screws in from the top side. After that, I did 1 last coat of paint on the front so I could go over the top of the screws. Not really necessary, but that's how I did it. And you'll notice at the bottom of the 2x4s, they are cut into a triangle to be able to stick them into the ground. I grabbed these mini lights from our local home hardware. I'll link some similar ones below, and I used a staple gun to secure them to the back of the plywood. Just make sure that none of the lights are sticking out, and the more lights, the better. This is what the trees look like during the day and at night. What do you guys think? I'm really happy with how this turned out, and I can't wait to see you create it too. Hit subscribe for more DIY.